Hi everybody, welcome to the video. Surprise of the day. We have a Honda Accord Hybrid Touring, but this works on other Honda Accord and other models may as well. You have an XM radio tip and tricks. So please remember to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when we notify new videos. And I really appreciate your thumbs up. It helps me a lot. Thank you. So let's get started. It's a quick video. You have your car on, you're driving for a while. You know that you actually can move this little bar over here. It's like a cache bar, timeline bar. So all the music you like, or any news you like that is on XM radio. Only on cars and vehicles that have the XM radio, you could get this quick feature that you could play around. I noticed that when I started tinkering with it, and you actually go hit these arrows over here to go back as well. I wouldn't advise you do this when you're driving. Probably, maybe you're stopped, or you're just parking there or resting. You could go back and play different tracks, I guess, different songs and different radio and on different channels. This is the Utopia channel, by the way, 341. So there's a lot of things you could do. There's a lot of tech in this newer Honda Accord. I do want to mention that you also hit the arrow on the right as well, or you could just drag this thing. So it's a nice trick to do if you have XM radio, and you have to subscribe to XM radio in most cases though, unless it's a trial for the first so many days when you purchase the vehicle. So that's a quick tip and trick to have for the XM radio. There are other ones as well, but I think that's really nice feature that they included in the new Accord. So I really appreciate you help me out with a thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye.